How to turn on dark mode on YouTube app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you on how to turn on dark mode on YouTube app. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, locate YouTube application from your home screen. Tap the launch YouTube application and make sure that you log into your account. Proceed by tapping on the profile icon at bottom right corner. Now tap gear icon at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and then navigate to General option under Account section. Scroll down, look for the option of Appearance and tap on Choose your light or dark theme preference. Now from this section, you need to tap on Dark theme if you haven't set it to Dark theme. And after that, you will successfully turn on dark mode on YouTube app. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.